Hello guys, welcome back to Androcoding tutorial. Here I am simply implement AdMob banner in my previous app, which is downloader app. So here I am basically official docs of AdMob. Uh, AdMob dependencies, add dependency service, copy here and simply to paste in my build.gradle file. And now simple sync to the site, and here this metadata copy and paste to the Android main first file, and under the application here I am using a test ID, so delete this, and here this ID copy and paste it here, paste it here. Okay, in main activities, in this button I am shows the banner ad in the bottom of the button. So here go to the implement a banner, and this XML code copy simple and paste here. Now this is math parent because it contains a same height this layout. Drag in bottom, okay. So my XML layout is complete. Okay, and go to the main activity, and all coded code is here. So simple, paste this key line of code, copy and paste it here. This is a basically unit test ID which is I am used. It gives a test, you add, and here copy this code and simple paste here, and val admin, and here is the add view, and here is simple add test device, add request dot device emulator. Simple. The now app is running. Now run this app, so click the play button, run button.